Alright, so the reason why it didn't work was because I'm an idiot. So I did an ID here, and this is a class. When you do a dot, it's a class. So this actually needs to be this. Now if I save it, and we go over here and hit refresh, there it is. Okay, so yeah, that was why. Alright, now if you look, you'll notice that this is indeed getting cut off. So it's not, because it does it the size of the element that the thing, and since the size of this currently is only going to be the size basically of the width of the entirety of it, because it only goes to 600, so it's going to the end here, but the height is only based off of these two elements. So in order to make it bigger, I have to make that element bigger. So inside of here, I'm just going to go ahead and do width. Not that it really matters. 600 pixels, and then height, and that's 169 pixels. Okay, and we'll save that, and let's go back here and Control R. There we go. So now it's the entirety of it. Yay! Okay, so let's go ahead and just fix a couple more things here and kind of go from there. So I'd like to have these centered and change the color of them white. So go over here. Now, so I want to make this and this centered and white, right? So I could grab H1, but I have no way of grabbing this P, because if I do P, it's going to do all of these. So what I'm going to do instead is, go through like a child selection. So we're going to go ahead and do heading, and then H1, and we'll also do heading P. And now what that'll do is it'll select inside the heading the H1 and inside the heading the P element. And now I can go ahead and do the text align center, and we'll also do color. Color, and I'd like to do white. I don't know if this is gonna look good or not, but let's see what that does. Refresh. There we go. Good. That works. Okay. Yay! So we got that all happening. Let's see, what else do I want to do? Might be good to, well, alright, hang on a second. Alright, just want to kind of cover a couple of things because I don't want this to get too long. So what I want to do, because I think you know probably how to format a lot of this other stuff, I want to go ahead and change the font. So again, it's fonts.google, but if you don't remember that, if you go down here, I have this Google Fonts. So you can click on that, and then it'll bring up fonts.google, and then we can look for what we want for our fonts. Now, view as list, view as grid. Where is? Oh, here we go. So you have categories here. So what I'm going to do is monospace actually might look kind of cool for mine specifically. But normally what you want to do is probably do like a display font of some sort for your heading. And then just use this one. Go like that. Oh, actually, I'm going to click on it. See specimen. And then I can see what it looks like and all that, and that's great. But then if I go down here, it'll give me options for other ones that work with it. So right now it's showing this Alpha Slab 1, but I can click on Roboto, Lado. See what I'm saying? It has different ones that are meant to go with it. So this one looks fine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now I have the two families selected. I just hit the little pluses. I'm going to click on this. It's going to pop it up. All I got to do is link it in there. So I'm going to grab this here. Yeah, come on. Control C or Command C. I'm going to go after the, actually we'll do it before this style. I'm just going to go ahead and link that style sheet. Now what I want to do is attach these here. So which one did I end up grabbing? Alpha Slab. Oh, Alpha Slab 1 is the, okay. So this is going to be my heading one. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, just the one. And back here, and I'm just going to go ahead and, do I want it on, I just want to see something. Yeah, we'll do it on all the H's. Okay. Why not? So we'll do H1, and H2 because we have 2 of them. And then I'm just going to paste it in there. And then we'll go ahead and for paragraph, we will paste the other one. So where are you at? Here we go. That will be this regular open sans. Okay. And I will paste that there, and we will save it, and I will go here and Le Creme Fraiche, and you can see, yay! That is great. And now from here, you know, I could take the div, or not div, sorry. Let's see, that's content. So boom, content, and just do background color. And let's see, what was my other ones? So we'll say, we'll do it this one for that. So I'm just going to grab this, Control C, and Control V, semicolon, Control S, and Control R. We could even do something where like we put this on one side and this on the other side. And that way I can kind of see, you know, the two things here. And then from here, you know, like this could be positioned a little bit better. So what I might is do, let me see where you are, heading. Okay, yeah, we could do it right. That would do it to both. We could go over here and do padding top. Padding top and do like, I don't know, let's say 20px. Save it there, click over here, Control R, and that'll push it down a little bit. Oh, okay, let's do this too. So I did the padding top, which did add to the top, but now you can see that this is repeating. So I'm just going to do the background image, oops, hyphen image, maybe repeat, is that what it is? Repeat, background, okay, background repeat. And then we're going to do no repeat. Okay. Oops. Control S. Control R. There we go. Now it won't repeat. Okay. But you can see that, yay. And I would do things like add shadows to this, because you see how it's kind of competing with this background here. And to do that, I would just go over here and look up, you know, the CSS stuff here. Oops. Come on. There we go. Learn CSS. And then, you know, look for it, because I don't know where it is. But you can also search for it. The search kind of sucks in here, honestly. But I would go ahead and do that, and then probably take this image, maybe get rid of it or put it somewhere else. Maybe make these like 2 sections, something like that. But that's an okay start. So you get an idea. It's just to kind of get you started. So yeah, if you have any issues, just go ahead and, you know, email me or whatever, and we should be good. So good luck.